Hey everybody.
Hey, how's it going?
So back in January, after becoming full-time RVers, we came across an online platform called RVillage. It's a community of 130,000 people just like us.
Yeah, they were holding a rally in Live Oak, Florida in March, and we went to it. This video is about what the rally was like. It was a blast, and we hope you enjoy it.
See you down the road. Have a
See
great
ya.
day.
Bye.
It's so exciting and fun to go to a rally, and today we are taking you with us. We are pulling in to the Spirit of Suwannee Music Park and Campground near Live Oak, Florida. And checking into the RVillage Rally 2.0, we meet Curtis. He is the founder of RVillage, and he checked us in. How cool was that? From there, the park host escorted us to our site, and with over 600 rigs, that took some time. The RVillage team made it lots of fun though, with quick jokes and lots of bubbles. While driving to our site, it was easy to see that this SOS park is definitely a unique place for rallies and music festivals. The campground offered a variety of sites from full hookups to boondocking, and just behind the campsite lies the beautiful, historic tea-colored Suwannee River. It used to be, when we went to rallies and RV parks, we didn't know many of the people who would be there, but not anymore. Thanks to Curtis and his vision, the RVillage online platform offers all of us RVers a way to meet and communicate with each other easily. And with the addition of our American flag, our home for the week is complete. Now let's go get on our bikes and explore.
The first night, everyone gathered under the main tent for a welcome gathering and to meet Curtis and his awesome team that put the RVillage Rally together. After the reception, Curtis gave us his gift to the rally, the Firebirds, 5 steel art sculptures that double as fire pits and became the centerpiece for each night's activities. They were awesome.
Workshops were offered, and Curtis led one on how to use the RVillage platform. Chris and Cherie from Technomadia taught the group about mobile internet. And Mark and Julie from RV Love were there for a meetup. There was a yummy ice cream social and even fun photo ops. But then as the sun went down, I'm sure when your kids were young, you may have had special songs you would sing to them. We had several, and when our daughter really liked one, she would want me to sing it over and over. One of those songs I learned many years ago when I was a kid at summer camp. I could only remember a small portion of it, but would sing it often to our daughter while going to sleep, and years later to our granddaughter. You know, I never knew who wrote the song, the title, nor the story behind it until today. Thanks to the RVillage rally and the delightfully entertaining New Christy Minstrels with Randy Sparks, it has come full circle for me. Their music, songs, and humor have enlightened many, but today I discovered the man, writer, and spirit behind the song we love so much. Thank you, Randy.